Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how to make this cute bag. If you're new here, please visit the link in the description to see how to make these granny squares, individual granny squares. So we're gonna just proceed. For this project, you're going to make a total of 13 granny squares. Organize them as I have shown and join them with a tapestry needle vertically and horizontally. Please remember to pause the video to check on the design of joining. So after you've joined, you'll have such a piece. Fold it the wrong side out as I have done, and fold it again at the corners and proceed to join as well the corners. After joining, your piece is gonna look like this. Attach yarn at the beginning of the bag and chain one, and then single crochet all around the top as I'm doing, all around the top to the other side. Once you're at the top, chain 75 and join to the other side. Sorry, I got a little bit out of frame here. So then join this chain. Makes the strap. Join it to the other side. And now you can cut your yarn. So here we have the first strap. Then make the same thing on the other side, but do not cut the yarn. So this is at the end. Both straps are done, but I have not cut my yarn because I will proceed to make double crochet stitches along the bag to make the strap stronger and better. So I'm going to start with a chain 3, double crochet in each stitch all around. So this is going to be a continuous stitch. So just make the stitches around the bag. Please note that these double crochets are also made all around the straps. So all around the straps to the other side, all around the other strap. So here I'm just at the end of my first strap. I'm gonna still proceed making double crochet stitches at the end of at the corners to the end of the other strap. So after the first row, please remember to join to the initial chain 3. Then you're free to choose however many rows you want to make your strap for. For my project, I chose to do 3 rows just to make a thicker strap for a heavier purpose, a heavier purposed bag. And you can choose to make 2, 1, 3. 3 I think are the thickest. So this is at the end of my third row of straps, and this is how my project looks. So I'm gonna just cut my yarn and I'll show you how my project looks in a minute. So this is how my end result came out. This is my Granny Square simple bag. It is very simple, very easy to make.